Specimen H, leaf of a bread phylum is Specimen H. The observable features of bread phylum leaf you can see on the screen. Succulent leaf. Okay, succulent leaf is an adaptation for water conservation. Thick and fleshy. Okay, waxy coating to prevent water loss via transpiration. Waxy coating prevent water loss, so leaf can still live also in the environment. Leaf tips are rounded, and the tip you see is rounded. As you can see on the screen, the leaf blades are flat, very flat and broad. Okay, so these are the things you observe. Okay, now you must know that since this activity very new and this is a whole of and plant, the production in this form it could be sexual and asexual. That means this particular leaf can undergo alternation of generation. But for sexual reproduction, that means they can be a stalk, they can be a flower, that means they have a modified shoot, which is a flower with 4 floral plants. Okay, should be the 4 floral plants, the flower and verified. Together about the 4 floral plants, we have this petal, of the sepal, we have the androgen, and then the gynogen. So this is the 4 floral plants, the flower stem. Okay, that means there would be a pollination, which is insect motivated. Insect pollination will also do what we call insect pollination. Okay, and again, the type of fruits, very valuable. The type of fruit produced is a capsule. Okay, so this is a type of fruit produced from this leaf, the capsule. So via asexual reproduction, the leaf can produce asexually by this vegetative propagation. So this is a very there's a very information that we ask the techniques of this reproduction is a question that I likely will come out, and as well as the conservatory. Now the next specimen. Okay, viewers, we have Specimen J, Cassava stem. Cassava stem is Manihawks esculenta. That's the botanical name of cassava stem. The stem of cassava can do 24 seed long. Let's see the observed features. It's woody, cylindrical, and branched. Okay, branched, thick, rough, and brownish gray back. Okay, see the color of that woody is what brownish gray back. Okay, loaded with prominent leaf scars, some scars, loaded with ridges. So these are the things that are going to observe when actually you observing that specimen. Okay, so these are the observing features. Pick them again. Woody, cylindrical, branched, thick, rough, the surface are rough, brownish gray back, loaded with prominent leaf scars, some particular parallel are detached. You see those scars there, interval ridges, functions. Okay, this is edible as such. Used as food for some livestock. So livestock also depend on it. Okay, so the breed that is resistant to drought and pests, okay, it can be used, can be propagated. Okay, through that process, propagation is by stem planting and use it to make new plants or new cassava. So this is also economically important. Okay, because it's resistant to drought and pests. Widely, this is cultivated in most tropical. So these are the questions that are going to come out. Please take note of the structural resemblance features: woody, cylindrical, branched, thick, rough, with color. The color means that means actually you take very, very important observation because you are dealing with live specimen. So the color is very, very important. The structure, the nature of the wood is woody, cylindrical, branched, thick, rough, and brownish very dark, okay, with a node having prominent leaf scars. So these are on cassava stem. Recall, cassava is lining out its latter. So quickly we go to the next specimen, which is also on cassava, but this time is cassava tuber. Okay, so the A is cassava tuber. Now one is cassava stem. So you see question like life cycle of specimen K is perennial. Yeah, perennial is saying that it can be cultivated and complete its life cycle in more than 2 years. So it's perennial. You have other like annual, biennial, perennial. So cassava is perennial. In terms of life cycle classification. In terms of crop, food crop, belongs to root tubers. Okay? If you look at this, these are some important facts about cassava tuber. Underground storage organ, it is rich in starch, high in calories and carbohydrates, low protein, edible parts. The edible parts are roots, so livestock can depend on this. Edible parts are young leaves and then stem. So there's something else you must know about this cassava. We actually the food class, the food class that specimen A contains. Specimen A is very rich in food class carbohydrates. And what is the function of that? Carbohydrates. The function of carbohydrates is for energy giving. Okay, energy giving food. Energy giving food, energy giving food. This is energy, and the energy, how is the energy generated? The energy is generated by what? By oxidation of these carbohydrates. Although the form is starch, so the action of this starch via digestion gives glucose. So this is what is oxidized. Now this is oxidized. It gives what? Energy as a byproduct like this and this. So it's an ideal question that is most likely asks you the food class. So the food class is carbohydrates. What is the function? Energy in food. So how the process of digestion of this is that this form of carbohydrates that we obtain from starch, from carbohydrate is starch. So starch digestion goes through this form. First of all, enzymes in the mouth region convert starch into maltose, and then from there amylase undergoes some kind of hydrolysis to glucose. So this is how food is oxidized and brought to energy. So this food is taken because of its high calorie and energy content. So most livestock and most organism puts man depends on this type of food as well. It is most food that is basically found among tropical region. Okay, that is for that specimen. The next specimen I would like to run in this video side by side is at the right hand side of the board. And the thoracic vertebrate, lumbar vertebrate, femur. Thoracic vertebrate is a specimen L, mirrors is M, P is femur, Q is lumbar. So let's start with these few important info about this specimen. Let's start with the allocation. Okay, what is the location of specimen L? Specimen L is located at this region. Yes, at the chest region. Okay, specimen M, which is males, is located at the upper limb. That's where you see bone. Okay, specimen P is located at the upper hind limb. and specimen Q is located at the lower region of the back. Okay, say lower abdomen. So this is a very important fact you must know about this specimen. Again, we say a question about the nature of the type of the bones, types of these bones, okay, whether long, irregular, and durable. So let's start with the first specimen. What is the type of this bone? Thoracic vertebrate is a short bone. It's a short bone, okay? It's a short bone. It is also part of vertebral bone. It's a vertebral bone. Are you with me? So that is it. So specimen M is a long bone. Is a long bone, and it is not part of vertebral bone. This specimen is part of appendicular bone, appendicular skeleton. Specimen P, which is femur, is also a long bone, also a part of appendicular, but the other region of the appendicular. Then the last is specimen Q, lumbar, just like thoracic, is also a short bone. So you pause the video and check this question. This question will be in the comments. Okay? This is the location, this is the type of bone. Okay, now looking at the next important notes on the 4 bones. Let's classify the bones. You know that skeleton, or what we call bone, skeleton is of 2 types, okay? One is axial and the appendicular skeleton. Alright, axial and appendicular skeleton. The axial skeleton is of 4 types, or 4 categories. Here we have the skull, here we have the vertebral bone, okay, it's called the vertebral bone. Here we have the ribs, here we have the sternum, or breastbone, sternum is breastbone, so it's 4. All of these bones are the axial, those bones are the central axis of the body. Okay, so regardless, we're not talking about the skull. We have 2 bones that we are giving you that will belong. This is the part of the axis skeleton. So here, the 2 bones that are caught at this point that are vertebral bone is what? We have thoracic, vertebra, and then the next is the lumbar vertebra. So these are both vertebra. So you can classify these 2 bones as axial skeleton, okay? So this axial skeleton under what? Vertebra. So there are 5 vertebral bones. But the one that is given in this instruction is 2. The other ones like cervical, thoracic, lumbar. The other 2 like caudal and the sacral. These are the 2 that we have here. So coming to this area, we have 2 types. We have 2 forms of appendicular skeleton. Okay. And in this aspect of skeleton, we have the pectoral, and the pelvic. Okay, pectoral happens to be from this region. Okay, from this region. Pelvic is from this region. So which bone is the of pectoral? Pectoral bone. The pectoral bone here is humerus. So the only bone that stands out here is humerus from this humerus, and is a long bone like mentioned. Then the one that is this part is femur. Okay, this is what we need to know about the bone skeleton as far as this is concerned. So ask what type of bone is specimen L. Specimen L is an axial bone. It forms under vertebral bone. This also lumbar is also this, like this. Then the remaining bones, which is the humerus and the femur, those are what they call. Only that the humerus is pelvic, sorry, the humerus is pectoral, and the other one. So that's you must not have the location of, okay, let me show you the location of these ones. Where is humerus? Humerus is found at the shoulder, on the shoulder bone, shoulder. It's a shoulder bone. Okay, there's a triangular bone. There's a triangular bone. Okay, a triangular bone with a glenoid cavity. Okay, with a long spine with a protection over here. This triangular bone is a scapular bone. The glenoid cavity provides surface for friction of the head of the humerus. So the head of the humerus is going to fuse here. And once the head of the humerus fuses here, once the head of the humerus fuses the head of the humerus fuses here, a ball and socket movement, a ball and socket joint is called. So this humerus can form ball and socket joint on articulation with the scapula. There must be an articulation. So when you occur at upper region of the arm, it now, by extension, it further joins the elbow, the left joint here at the elbow region to continue another bone which occur together. Whatever the ulnar areas. But this video we're not going to be discussing ulnar areas since it's not part of study, so it's just here. So being a long bone, examiners having known that this is at the shoulder region, the location is shoulder region. The location of the thoracic is chest. This is the lower back, lower region of the back. Okay, this is at the shoulder. Okay, shoulder. We tend to form a ball and socket movement somewhere here at the shoulder, that I take an all plane. So this is what we have here. Okay, so this is so coming over here. So where does this one occur? This one occur at the hip region. So femur occur at the hip region, okay? Just like we have the cavity here where the humerus head fuses. Okay, there's also another cavity where the head of them also fuses. That head is found at the hip region. That cavity is called orbiturator-foramen. Okay, this is just like an angle. It provides a surface for articulation of head of femur. Also do form a ball and socket. Mistake notes, this is found at the hip region. Mistake notes, viewers, this is found at the shoulder region. This is found at the lower region of the back. This is found at the chest. Mistake notes, these are regions and questions are likely going to be asked at this part. This part is show that the different acts in question. Okay, now the thoracic chest region, this is at the lower region of the back, this is at the shoulder, this is at the hip. So the number of thoracic bone, at least is normal is 1 to 12, this is from 1 to 12, this is from 1 to 5. Okay, so these are pointing to in case they ask you the number of this thoracic bone, I say it's 12. Number of bone, I say is what? It is 5. Now let's now go to the functions of this specimen. Let's start with specimen N, humerus. Look at humerus somewhere. What is the function of the humerus? This question will come out. There are two functions of the humerus. The humerus, since it occurs at the shoulder region, it supports the bone of this part, both the upper and the lower. This is the upper form, lower form. It supports the bones of the shoulder. It also supports the bone of the elbow. Okay, so this is the function of the humerus, support the bone of the shoulder. Okay, by making sure that the head forms the ball and socket movement here, and also in hinge joint also is also formed by these two bones here. So this function. So being that is a long bone, the marrows of this long bone can also synthesize red blood cell. So these are the two functions. We can also see that they also provide surface for articulation with this bone from here. As a really the function of this bone. So for us, femur somewhere here, femur also support the bone of the hip. hip region, support the bone of the hip region. Okay. And also the head also fuse with the orbitral foramen to also form ball and socket joint. Femur also provides surface for articulation with the bone of the lower hind leg, which is the tibia and the fibula. So coming over to the lumbar, look at the lumbar. What's the function of the lumbar? Lumbar tend to bear the weight of the body, to support the weight of the body together with the hip again. So what is the function of the thoracic vertebra? Thoracic vertebra protects some vital organs that are come to appear at the chest region. This organ, the organs that appear at this region is the lungs. It protects the lungs and it also protects the heart. So these are organs and the heart region that is being. It also assists in breathing. It also assists in breathing by helping the diaphragm to also adjust in terms of breathing. So these are the bones. And one thing that you must take note of that you need to now look at the possibility that these bones, or you will be asked to compare the bones, most especially these two bones that are vertebral bones, structurally. Structurally. We're looking at the thoracic bone. What are there that is observable? One of the observable features of this particular bone is that it does have a very long neural spine. Both do have long neural spine. The neural spine of this is prominent. Neural spine of this is also prominent. Neural spine. We do have neural spine. Both also do have neural arc. The neural arc is also very much important there. So this bone is something like this. This is thoracic bone. Thoracic bone is something like this. This is something like this. This is how thoracic bone is. You see something here. You see another one here. Okay, so this is how it is. This is the neural spine. The neural spine, the arc that supports this very bit of this neural arc. Okay, you see the spine. You see something here. The transverse process is here. You see the capitulum or the transverse process that provides surface for articulation with ribs. Ribs will come here, they will form a junction here, and then you now see a formation of something like this, which is called the cage. Okay, bony part of this. So this is where you see the lungs and the heart somewhere here. So this surface here. So you see this coming from the capitula. This is tubercular, capitula. So the capitula is very much close to the centrum. This is the neural canal. See the neural canal. So these are the structures you see thoracic bones. And the bone that you see are called at the chest region. You're trying to, of course, compare it with the vertebral bone. Just like you do know that vertebral bone also, just like this, also you have long neural. So this is a long neural canal. So you see the bone like this. Okay. This is the bone. So just want to just show you. So this is the bone. So just like you see what differs between the two bones. So you see the bones, the neural canal, just like you see the neural spine. You have somewhere here, you have the post and pre-xylophysis. Okay, you see the neural canal, which provides passageway for spinal cord. You see the centrum, you see the anapophysis, which you do not see here. So there's something very similar between the two bones. Remember, the two bones are very short bones that cause the vertebral region. Those very few differences here and here can occur between the two bones. Here you can also be the transverse process. If you look at the transverse process, the one is more prominent. You have more prominent transverse process and this one. So this spine and this spine, this one project backward. So tend to be centrally placed. So these are the things you need to consider when you are differentiating between bones on the vertebral bone. Coming over here, the bone here, the longest of these two bones are long. The longest bone arguably is the femur. The long appears to be the longest bone. Looking at the structure of this bone, one, this is in the neck, this is one, you see something like this. Okay, you see something. This is the femur, very long shaft. Okay, so the legs is just like this. So you see that one is the neck. So these are the things you also need to consider. So this is the bone that you see at the upper. This is the bone that you see at the lower leg. Okay. Both the femur and the humerus, both bones are barrows. That means that the red cells are made in those bone. Okay, so these are the questions you will likely be looking at to come out in these exams as far as thoracic, humerus, femur, and liver is concerned. Now to wrap up the video, we're going to look at mango seed and orange seed. Okay. So here we have two fruit seeds here, mango seed dry, orange seed dry. In this specimen, we're only going to work with the seed of the fruit, not the fruits entirely. Let's see what we observe mango fruits. Okay, one seed per fruit. So this mango is a group. Take note, mango is a group. So observable features. The seeds are large compared with Specimen R, which is orange seed. The seeds are small in size. The seeds here are large. The seed of orange is small in size compared with the fruit size. The fruit shape of mango seed is oval. Also, orange seed is also oval. So these are going to see form observable characteristics for mango seed, observable characteristics for orange seed. So oval shape. These are coming brown color for both. Smooth surface. Okay, surface as smooth for both. Hard texture. Okay, small hard texture. Okay, small ileum, that is point of attachment to fruits is small. Okay, there's also so small point of attachment. Large embryo, since bears large seed. So these that bears must should also have small embryo. Okay, you also know that since the seeds are dry, it is dormant at that state. Dormant means that if conditions are very favorable, the seeds are meant to start to generate to give new plants. Same thing as this. So at that point, it's dry, there is no condition available. So those conditions that is necessary for germination to occur are moisture, oxygen, good soil, enzymes. These are things. So once all those things are very necessary, these seeds can germinate to a new plant. Now, mode of dispersal of this seed. We know these two seeds are edible. The food that are easily eaten by man and other animals. They are dispersed by this agent. So the agent of dispersal of these fruits is man or any animal. Agent of dispersal of this is man and other animals. Take note, this is a drupe, being that is one seeded. This is a type of berry, basically a spiridium, because of many what seed. Pause the video, go through this, and make sure you study and wait for the exam. Thank you for watching. See you next week.